826, exit of 12, one behind the signal 10.
Easternward.
Driver! Lower all the windows! Driver! 1155, I got the signal 10, he's fleeing. We're gonna be 826 eastbound from 12.
826 eastbound from 12, is he on foot or still in the signal 10?
I'm behind a signal 10, black GMC Benelli. It's gonna be a 28 of 47 Bravo, Zulu, Romeo, Quebec. We're gonna be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe it's signal 4 to vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the turnpike, signal 4 versus a truck, and we got to roll over. Let me see your it! Let me see your
26.
One out of the passenger side of the car. You're bringing us over here, guys. We got one back out here with them.